What's this? Road to Shore, my new Lamborghini.
How's it going, guys? And today I thought I would finally do a video on my new car, and this isn't it. This isn't mine anymore. This used to be gold, but obviously it's now satin black. It's actually Cal Freezy's now. You can go check out his video in the description. But he drives this car now, and it looks a lot better than when it did in gold, so I'm pretty jealous. But yeah, that's that. My new car. Yeah, this here.
I know you see me in my Lamborghini, Lamborghini, ride so quick you would think I'm Houdini.
It's a Lamborghini. It's a Lamborghini Gallardo 50th anniversary, which means
Is that all you've got?